This is Universal's brand new resort, Terra Luna.
Located near Epic Universe and just minutes from Universal City Walk, join me as I explore this resort and review everything it has to offer, from its cosmic-inspired design and heated pool to a theme park view room and more. Could this be one of Universal's best value hotels? Let's find out.
And a beautiful morning from here at Universal's brand new hotel, the Terra Luna Resort. In this video, we'll be checking out everything that Terra Luna has to offer, from the rooms to the amenities and more. I'll also be giving you my top 3 tips to maximize your stay and get the most of your time here at the Terra Luna Resort. With that, let's begin our tour and review, starting with the transportation to the theme parks.
Terra Luna Resort is located just minutes from Universal theme parks, right next door to Epic Universe and beside its sister hotel, Stella Nova Resort. Right outside the main entrance, just off to the right, is the theme park transportation area. This is where Universal's buses pick you up and take you to Universal Studios Florida, Islands of Adventure, City Walk, Volcano Bay, and Epic Universe, making this the main hub for getting around Universal Orlando from Terra Luna. Buses run frequently, about every 10 minutes, which makes getting to and from the parks quick and convenient. And if you're heading to Epic Universe, you also have the option to walk from Terra Luna, which is about a 15 to 20 minute walk.
Now, one of the top perks of staying at a Universal hotel is you get early access to their theme parks. Now with that, buses do come here 1 hour early before early entry starts, so I would definitely recommend utilizing this perk, especially if you want to maximize your time at the theme parks.
Once you walk up to Terra Luna, you head through the rotating doors and straight into the main lobby, and this is where you really start to feel the resort's cosmic theme come to life. I stayed here during the holiday season and the lobby was really nicely decorated with Christmas trees and other festive touches. Check-in is located to the right, and when you arrive, you're given a resort map along with your room key cards. If your room isn't ready yet, the hotel will text you once it becomes available, and you can head straight down to your room using the key card that they give you at check-in. Where next to check-in, you also find the luggage storage area. Also located in the lobby is the Universal store, where you can pick up souvenirs, essentials, and a wide range of Universal merchandise. And something really cool is that they even carry items here that are sold inside Epic Universe, so if you miss something in the park, you may be able to find it here at the hotel. At the far end of the lobby, you also find Bar Luna, which is open daily from 5 p.m. until midnight. Just to the right of Bar Luna, you also find the Omega Café and Market. This is the main quick service spot here at Terra Luna, and you will find plenty of seating, and I really love the decor here. They also have a grab and go section where you can quickly pick up drinks, snacks, and lighter options. For tip number 2, breakfast can get really busy here, so I recommend ordering ahead, which can be done on the Universal app, and grabbing your food to go. You can easily save 20 to 30 minutes and beat the crowds heading to the shuttles. The cafe serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they also have these cool tumblers that you can purchase. I ordered food from here. Once your order is ready, you'll pick it right up here at the mobile order counter. And honestly, the food looked really good. I ended up ordering the chicken alfredo, and it was actually really tasty. The portion was solid and filling. Here at Terra Luna, you also find an arcade and a fitness center. The arcade is pay to play and was always empty when I walked by. The fitness center is smaller, but it overlooks the pool and the palm trees, which is a nice reminder that you're on vacation. Going outside, here's where you'll find the main pool area here at Terra Luna. There's also an outdoor fire pit area to relax in the evenings. The surrounding resort grounds are clean, open, and nicely landscaped. You'll find the pool open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. From the pool area, you also get a really nice view of the Terra Luna building in the background. You'll find towel stations located throughout, and they also provide pool gear that you can use along with life jackets. You'll find plenty of lounge chairs around the pool, and each one is equipped with a mobile ordering tag so you can order food and drinks directly from the Moonrise Bar. There's also a sandy area here, which helps give the space more of a beach-like feel. The pool itself is actually pretty large here at Terra Luna, with plenty of space to spread out. There's also a jacuzzi located right next to the main pool, and even while I was here, the pool area didn't feel busy at all. Out here by the pool, you also find the Moonrise Bar and Grill, which serves drinks along with a selection of food options. It opens at 11 a.m. and we'll check it out a bit later in the video. There's a designated area for the food pickup which is marked right here on the map. One thing to note is that there isn't a traditional poolside service, so you'll place your order by scanning the QR code on your lounge chair and then pick it up at the counter when it's ready. If you're looking to spend time in the sun, the section of the pool is ideal because it faces the sun directly, and I was able to find a spot here pretty easily.
So behind me is the pool area here at the Terra Luna, and I gotta say it's pretty nice. You do have a zero entry access on one side of the pool and the standard steps on the other. The pool here sits at around 4 feet deep, which is not the deepest pool by any means. However, it's a fairly large pool and it's great for children as well. So if you do have children, they do have complimentary life jackets available next to a towel stand so you can use free of charge. One thing I really love about this pool is that it's heated, so if you're coming here on a chilly day, for example, you're going to find the water here to be on the warmer side. Now keep in mind that it's not going to be as hot as the jacuzzi over here. However, it's going to be warm enough to at least keep you in the water and from freezing. But overall, it's a pretty relaxing area. As you can see here, there's not many people here. That's because most of the people tend to go to the theme parks here, so you're going to find some people here and there. Obviously, it might be even more busier during the summer months where the weather is even more hotter.
The water temperature didn't feel super warm at first, but the lifeguard mentioned that the pool temperature adjusts depending on how cold it is outside. On this day, the weather was on the warmer side, although at night you may notice a difference. Next, we'll check out the Moonrise Bar and order a drink. I stopped by the Moonrise Bar and asked the bartender to recommend one of his favorite drinks from the menu. He recommended the Supermoon, which is a favorite among guests, so I decided to give it a try.
So I asked the bartender to give me his recommended drink, and he recommended the Supermoon, and this is the drink that I got. And it came in this fancy Terra Luna souvenir cup, which costs $1 extra, which in my opinion is definitely worth it. For just $1, you can take it home and use it whenever you want. So I'm gonna go and give this a taste. It's really good. There's definitely some orange juice. It's also very sour, and there's also some alcohol in it. Definitely recommend it. Supermoon. I also want to add behind each launcher, you'll find a tag with a QR code that you can use your phone to scan if you want to order food from the Moonrise Grill. Do keep in mind that there is no bar service here around the pool area, so to get your food, you do have to go to the Moonrise Grill pickup area, which is located next to the Moonrise Bar area.
Next, let's check out the room that I booked for my stay. I went with the standard 2-queen bedroom type, which leads me to tip number 3. If you're looking for the quietest stay, request a higher floor when you check in. You'll get better views of the outside and you'll avoid the afternoon noise when the pool gets busy. In my case, the front desk set me up with a 2-queen room facing Universal's Epic Universe theme park. Let's check it out.
The room that I booked is a standard 2-queen room overlooking Epic Universe. Let's check it out.
As soon as you walk into the room, a few steps ahead and into your right, you'll find a vanity bathroom. You can change the mirror lighting with this switch. Once you tap it, the lighting changes right away depending on the mood you want it set to. The vanity has a really clean, modern look with this tall vertical mirror. You'll also find a separate room that leads to the toilet and the bathtub. The bathtub is standard and comes stocked with these cosmic themed shampoo and conditioner bottles, which is a fun little detail. Just outside the bathroom there's a glass wall with an adjustable curtain so you can close if you want a little bit more privacy. As you turn to the left from the bathroom, straight ahead is a closet and inside you'll find the in-room safe. Directly across the closet you'll find a full-length mirror, which is always useful for getting ready. Over on the left side of the room is where the mini fridge is located. The coffee maker is set up right on top of the mini fridge. You'll also find some extra storage under the TV. The room comes with 2 queen beds, which were on the firmer side but still very comfortable. And I really like the planet-inspired decor on the wall, which ties into the resort's cosmic theme really well. Between the beds you'll find power outlets along with the USB and USB-C ports, which is super convenient. The room also features an interactive smart TV where you can access hotel information and Universal content. Overall, the room feels modern, clean, and thoughtfully laid out, with the beds and the wall art really being the main focal point. And depending on the room location, you may even get a view of Epic Universe off in the distance. This resort is a great fit for theme park travelers who want early entry and newer, quieter stay compared to Universal's older value hotels. It may not be ideal if you're looking for walkability or full-service dining, but for most people, visiting the parks checks a lot of the right boxes.
If you guys found this video helpful or useful, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it and it'll help the channel out. Until next time, see you in the next video.